Having Grainger as a partner, they make it very easy for us to keep our events safe.
Everybody go watch Skibidi Rita. Whoa! He's here. He's gained 5 pounds. He's back.
Yo, chat! We gotta jump over a car! Hell yeah! W's in the chat! Let's freaking go. W's right now. Everybody spam
Dude,
W.
I felt that aura from a mile away.
Spam now, little boy. You better spam too, child. I'm gonna go get the keys to the car. Y'all know.
Yo, am I filming? Am I filming? Or do you want me to drive and you film?
You drive, I'll film.
Yeah.
And then we have third Elmore.
We got Elmore.
Hello, chat.
Chat, go sub to him.
I'm gonna go get the keys to the car, alright?
He streams every day.
Yo, chat, hold up. I didn't get the keys to the car. Hold on.
Yo, chat, he streams every day. Go sub to him. He streams every day. He streamed every day this summer.
If anyone here calls me Egg 2.0 on my stream, I'll crash out. I've
That
got
look.
called that so
He's
many
an
times.
egg.
I'm not an egg.
Small the difference. Egg. Oh no.
L chat.
Yo, wait. W chat. Yo, chat. Stakes W. Hey, yo. Aura. Lock in.
Hi, Gara. Thank you for the 10.
Bro, I felt that aura from a mile away.
Thank you for the 10 as well. Yo, chat, thanks for the donations.
Why is he wearing a Messi jersey?
This is because
Hey, yo.
I need to become the GOAT. All right, this is a crazy stunt. All right, it's a crazy idea.
Fat.
Gotta get hyped up. Chat, are you ready for this? Are y'all ready for this, chat, or what?
I was born ready.
Yo, let me play this song real quick. Come over here.
Yo, chat, spam. I was born ready if you're ready.
Yo, chat, spam me if you ready for this shit. Let's go.
Oh yeah, let's see.
Yo, chat, you want to see my skills, chat? We about to play some music. We about to play a musical instrument. JK, here we go.
Furley's guessed it.
Chat?
Yeah, hey, get the actuate.
Yo, chat, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared.
Me too.
So I saw iShowSpeed do this. It looked pretty easy, honestly. Like, chat, you guys.
He did it with like no effort.
You guys think I can do it, right, chat? Chat, you all believe in me, right?
If you believe in yourself, you will. If you don't believe in yourself, you're gonna die.
Everybody's saying Steak don't do it. Oh, shut up, chat. I'm going to do it, alright? Y'all, quiet down. Let's get in the goddamn
Hey,
car.
wait, get the camera.
Yeah. Here, just bring it. Why don't we show them this, come to the front of the car.
Okay.
Let's go over here. Let's show them the car we're using for this. Chat, this is a brand new car we're gonna use. It's about this high.
You can jump that high easy.
I can clear it. Yo, chat, you think I can clear it? I think I could clear it. Like, let me practice. Let me just do a jump practice real quick.
Let's see.
So, chat, yo, check this out. Ready? I'm gonna jump and just do a practice, okay? Then we're gonna go over to the road and we're gonna try this out. Okay, so let's just
Oh, actually, yeah, you're like good. Yeah, you're good.
Go, chat. Did I clear that? Wait, let me try again.
Yeah, wait.
He's got that.
Yeah, you actually got that easy.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Okay, go right there.
I'm dead serious. You got this.
Okay, chat, do I got this? Can I clear this? Okay.
Yeah, you're way good actually.
Chat, yeah, 1 inch out of.
You have like a foot of room. Actually, no.
Come here, Benny, get inside. Dangerous, Benny,
Bro,
come on.
I'm actually scared.
You gotta get inside, Benny. Get inside, Betty.
2 in chat if he's not doing
Get
it.
inside. Yo,
So
chat.
this is prime lighting.
Bro, stop saying earthquakes. Oh my God, there's no.
Yo, chat, who just said earthquake? All right, wait, hold it. What?
Wait, is the key still? Oh,
Keys are in there. Yeah.
yo.
All right. Where? Okay, I'll go in the front seat. Yeah, you go in the back. All right. Here we go. Oh my God. Yo, I can totally clear it, right?
Yeah.
Did I actually clear it like you saw?
Yeah. Actually,
Okay. All right, let's go. I don't need
All right, close
shoes.
the door.
Hold on. All right, chat. We going?
My heart's actually like racing. If you don't, you gotta do this.
What?
If you don't wear this.
Oh, it's a little dark. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous.
Me
Like,
too.
Worst case scenario, what?
Worst case, you die.
Yeah. I'm not gonna die. Chat, we practiced a bunch of times. I tried jumping like over and over again. Dang, why is my head so dark, bruh? Oh, there we go. So, chat, we tried practicing like 30 times.
And you
over
got
in
it,
this
you got it
parking
like
lot.
90% of the time.
Like, I got it like 9 times out of 10. I was able to clear it.
Yeah.
So, what?
When he didn't, he totaled the car.
Well, we're not gonna talk about that. I mean,
We're like 10 minutes away. We gotta go to this like strip place.
10 minutes. Okay, drive fast.
I will.
All right. So, what do you guys think? Why, guys? Stop spamming RIP. Seriously, guys, come on. All right, come on, y'all, come on. Don't be spamming RIP. Don't be spamming RIP. Yo, Kayagara, Sig, if I donate every stream, will you add me on Discord? Dude, I just can't. I'm sorry. I'm about to die, so I mean, what would be the point of adding a dead person on Discord, man? Okay. Oh man. Chat.
Why are you doing this?
Because I'm steak wise.
What if it like gets 1,000 views?
It's not gonna get 1,000 views. Wait, check. Guys, can you smash like for me, please?
That's,
Okay,
his,
where are
that's
we?
his death wish.
Where are we going? We gotta go to like a long,
Yeah, I know
long
spot.
place. Like a really long
Yeah.
strip of road.
It's like
Okay, guys, shut the fuck up. Stop spamming RIP! It's not, Chaz, stop!
I am
Alright,
not
stop!
illegal.
I'm not... What? Now build like a...
That's what you sound like right now.
Not a queso, chat, alright? Alright. Where are you taking us?
What? We're literally going to the place.
Wait, go fast so they can see how fast you go.
Jeez. Oh,
Yo, why am I so dark, chat?
R.I.P. steak.
Chat, why am I so dark, chat?
it's because the sun's there.
Oh, there we go. Okay, chat. I'm going to be attempting a dangerous stunt. Do not attempt. Whoa. Before you die, become a femboy. Shut up, scary Sam. Yo, guys, can you stop donating and saying RIP? I'm gonna be fine. All right, we did like 5 practice runs.
Okay, we're like a little bit away.
It's not fake either. I have the chat pulled up right here. Like, literally, it's the chat. Like, guys, we have it pulled up.
Yeah, it's not.
The donations. It's live. We're really here right now. Okay, we're almost pulling up.
Yeah, like 2 minutes.
Okay. Bro thinks he's iShow speed. Chat, I'm better than speed.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Whoa.
I'm gonna die before we even...
Holy crap. Alright. Okay, here we go. Prime steak, thank you. So chat, this is me and my prime right now. We up, baby. We up. Blood is not speed. Dude, chat. I'm not trying to be speed!
You're trying to be
I'm
slow.
steak!
You're slow. Oh.
Not slow.
Your I show.
I show calories.
Yeah, your I show calories.
Chat, I'm not slow, okay? Y'all just shut up. I'm not gonna get arrested, okay?
You might.
Everybody just chill. Okay, here, let me just, bro, can you hurry up and drive
Oh, there's
there?
a cop. Hold on, there's a cop.
Oh, crap, let me get, oh, crap, I don't have my seatbelt on.
Seatbelt on.
I don't have my seatbelt
Okay,
on,
I
bro.
can't.
I actually don't.
Speed limit is.
Dude, I actually don't have my seatbelt on.
Get it on. Hurry. There's 2.
Okay, it's on. Okay, I put it on.
Oh my gosh.
I put it on.
I'm gonna lose my license.
Wait, let me show the police.
Oh my gosh. What is going on?
Oh my god. Yo, Chad.
Oh my gosh.
The cops.
What the Sigma's going on?
They're not coming for me.
Wait, they're following. They're following us.
Dude, no, they're not.
They're coming for
Chill.
steak.
Relax. They're not following us. Bro, what is wrong with this camera? How do I make it? Oh, there we go.
Alright, we're almost here.
my
Walk
God.
in. Everybody spam.
Oh my god.
I was Sigma.
Don't spam that. Everybody spam. I was here.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we're getting a little bit freaked out. I don't know if I should I actually?
I don't know. Is it worth it?
Chat, I don't know.
Or are they gonna be mad if you don't do it?
Oh, what are you guys saying?
I think you cleared it.
They're all just saying rip.
You cleared it. I think you're fine.
Okay, we'll try clearing it on the actual street again. Like, do that thing where you drive off to the side again.
Okay. I'm actually scared. Bro.
Everyone that's here.
Oh my gosh.
There you are, legends, all of you. Okay.
This is scary. Bruh. Okay. Oh man. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh, shut up. You're not doing anything. All you have to do is drive a car.
Yeah, I'm scared for you.
Alright.
He's scared he's gonna kill his brother.
Yeah.
Mistake equals arrested. Chat, shut the I'm not gonna get arrested. Everybody, shut up.
Alright.
I'm not. I'm fine. Alright? We here?
Okay.
We're
Should we
here.
do one practice? Wait, where's the ladder?
Okay, we're gonna chat. How many practice runs should we do before we do it? Chat, how many practice should we do? Yo, thanks for the member.
Should I drop it off right here?
Yeah, let me get out real quick. Let me put up the ladder real quick so we can set up
Okay,
the
then I'll start
camera.
back here and we'll do one practice.
Okay, hold on. Let me just bring it over here.
Should I grab the ladder?
Yeah, could you set it up for me? Oh man. All right.
Bro. It's like 2 practices.
Okay. Oh, dude, fuck, Chad, I forgot shoes. Damn. All right. Okay, car's over there. We're gonna do a couple practice to try and clear it. We gotta make sure I can actually clear it. There he is.
You ready?
Maybe move it back quite a bit. A little bit more. On like another. Yo, chat, why is someone calling me, chat? That's probably good. Okay. Yo. Alright, let me just set this backpack up. Alright. Can y'all see me, chat? Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright.
Practice? 2 practices.
Yeah, do a couple practices.
Alright.
Chat, we're gonna do a few practice runs. We're gonna do a few practice runs,
Wait, I'm
okay?
gonna back up.
Yeah, back, wait, go all the way to the end. All the way to the end. Oh. Yo, stop saying egg is gonna splatter, chat. Okay. Go off to the side. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone over here. Yo, 1 sec, hold up. Alright, yo, spam up the spam, chat, spam W, chat, spam W. Chat, spam W, you didn't clear it? Dude, shut up! Yes, I did. Okay, spam W, guys, spam W. Alright, here's everybody in the stream. Okay. See if I can clear it. Okay, practice. I can't, right here. Okay. This is practice. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, wait, you gotta go, bro. You gotta go faster. Ow! Ow! Oh, here, come pull up right next to me. Ooh, you gotta go a lot faster. Ah! Oh!
Alright, what's up? Okay, am I gonna do it again?
I'm gonna try to jump just from here. Go like over there so I can practice jumping up.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn over there then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, chat, am I gonna get banned? Everybody was saying that I'm gonna get banned. Shut the I'm fine, alright? I'm not gonna get banned. Shut up, I'm not gonna get banned. No, stop saying I'm not ISO speed. Chat, I'm steak. I'm steak. I'm cooler. I'm way cooler. Okay. Alright. Here, just pull up right here and park. Okay. Let me practice clearing real quick. You gotta go fast. You gotta go really fast.
So am I gonna drive right along here?
Yeah, okay, chat, tell me if I'm clear in this. Yo, chat, say yes or no after I jump and tell me if I cleared it. Okay, let's see.
Try back and then go forward.
Here, I'm gonna just jump and see if I can actually, like, get higher here. Make it in?
I think so, yeah. Try again. Yeah, you're fine.
Wait, let me see what chat said. Yo, chat, did I clear? Chat, did I clear? Yo, chat, did I clear? Chat, did I clear? Did I clear?
Hey, let's do another movie.
Did I clear? Everybody said no. Hold on, let me watch it. Yo, hold on, I'm watching the stream. Yo, chat, I so cleared it, bro. I so cleared it. Okay, chat, look, I'm gonna pause right here and show you guys. I totally cleared it. Bro, totally cleared it. Bro is gonna splatter. Bro, shut up. I cleared it. Chat, look. Bro, do y'all see that right there? I literally cleared it, bro. I literally cleared it, chat. You can clearly see that I am above the car. I am literally above the car. I got this shit. Don't worry. Okay, chat, should we do another practice run or should we just go for it?
We got another practice.
Why?
I'm gonna be honest, you gotta get this moment.
Say it louder, say it louder.
You gotta get the rhythm down.
What do you mean, rhythm?
Like, you gotta figure out the timing. You don't just wanna go straight into it. Speed did a few practices before.
Yeah, okay. Chat, I cleared it. I cleared that shit. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm not gonna splatter! Shut up.
Someone said they could feel the jump from Australia.
You could feel the jump from Australia? Yo, bitch. I'm not fat, chat. Alright, quiet. Go off to the right. Like, don't actually hit me yet. Why don't you just park where that boat is? And, like, go right against it. Yo, chat, I'm sweaty, man. Uh-oh. Yo, chat, are my friends here? Y'all ready for this shit? Ugh. Okay. We're gonna do a practice, see if I clear it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Faster. Oh, yeah, see, I totally cleared it. Did you see that? I so cleared that. I so cleared it. I so cleared it. I literally watched that, chat. I so cleared it. Chat, did I clear it? Let's do like 1 or 2 more, and then I'll do it. Yo, chat, I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna pause it and see if I cleared it. Everyone's just saying no. Guys. Okay, if you do it, I'll give you $10. All right. Hold on, chat. I'm gonna see if I cleared it. Yo, chat, check that shit out, baby. You see that right there? You see that? I did. I so did. See? 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 Okay. I want the aerial view. Bro, stop saying lose weight. Chat, my weight is not preventing me from jumping. Okay, let's do another practice. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't think I got it that time, Chad. I don't know if I hit it. I don't know if I hit that. I'm not gonna lie. Chad, I didn't hit that one, right, Chad? Chad, I didn't hit that, right? I didn't hit that, right, Chad? Oh, man, fuck. Oh. Okay, Chad, I'm kind of scared, man. Chad, should I really do this? Should I really do this? Everybody's saying no. Don't do it, please. This is your last stream. All right, one more practice round, then I'm doing this shit for real. All right, last practice round. Last practice round, then we do this for real. All right. Okay. Okay, you stand. Make sure you stand back. Yeah, like stand right there. You okay? All right, we're gonna do one more practice jump. Then we're doing this for real. All right. Chat, I gotta do a poll after this. Make sure I'm actually clearing it. Okay. Positioning car. Positioning car. Give me a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, chat, I did not. Okay, I messed up. I would have just died right there. Oh. Okay, I think I pulled a muscle. Hold on. Okay, we got to do one more.